I was happy. I was happy.
J'étais heureux.
I was happy. You were late. You were late.
Tu étais en retard.
You were late. He was tall. He was tall.
Il était grand.
He was tall. She was tired. She was tired.
Elle était fatiguée.
She was tired. It was cold. It was cold.
Il faisait froid.
It was cold. We were at the park. We were at the park.
Nous étions au parc.
We were at the park. You were busy. You were busy.
Vous étiez occupé.
You were busy. They were friends. They were friends.
Ils étaient amis.
They were friends. The weather was nice. The weather was nice.
Le temps était beau.
The weather was nice. The movie was boring. The movie was boring.
Le film était ennuyeux.
The movie was boring. The food was delicious. The food was delicious.
La nourriture était délicieuse.
The food was delicious. The party was fun. The party was fun.
La fête était amusante.
The party was fun. The dog was sleeping. The dog was sleeping.
Le chien dormait.
The dog was sleeping. The cat was hiding. The cat was hiding.
Le chat se cachait.
The cat was hiding. The sun was shining. The sun was shining.
Le soleil brillait.
The sun was shining. The stars were bright. The stars were bright.
Les étoiles étaient brillantes.
The stars were bright. The house was quiet. The house was quiet.
La maison était calme.
The house was quiet. The streets were empty. The streets were empty.
Les rues étaient vides.
The streets were empty. The children were playing. The children were playing.
Les enfants jouaient.
The children were playing. The teacher was strict. The teacher was strict.
L'enseignant était sévère.
The teacher was strict. The book was interesting. The book was interesting.
Le livre était intéressant.
The book was interesting. The sky was blue. The sky was blue.
Le ciel était bleu.
The sky was blue. The clouds were dark. The clouds were dark.
Les nuages étaient sombres.
The clouds were dark. The ocean was calm. The ocean was calm.
L'océan était calme.
The ocean was calm. The mountains were high. The mountains were high.
Les montagnes étaient hautes.
The mountains were high. The forest was dense. The forest was dense.
La forêt était dense.
The forest was dense. The road was long. The road was long.
La route était longue.
The road was long. The journey was tiring. The journey was tiring.
Le voyage était fatigant.
The journey was tiring. The train was crowded. The train was crowded.
Le train était bondé.
The train was crowded. The car was broken. The car was broken.
La voiture était en panne.
The car was broken. The bridge was old. The bridge was old.
Le pont était vieux.
The bridge was old. The flowers were beautiful. The flowers were beautiful.
Les fleurs étaient belles.
The flowers were beautiful. The birds were singing. The birds were singing.
Les oiseaux chantaient.
The birds were singing. The alarm was loud. The alarm was loud.
L'alarme était forte.
The alarm was loud. The clock was ticking. The clock was ticking.
L'horloge faisait tic-tac.
The clock was ticking. The day was long. The day was long.
La journée était longue.
The day was long. The night was silent. The night was silent.
La nuit était silencieuse.
The night was silent. The moon was full. The moon was full.
La lune était pleine.
The moon was full. The stars were twinkling. The stars were twinkling.
Les étoiles scintillaient.
The stars were twinkling. The fire was warm. The fire was warm.
Le feu était chaud.
The fire was warm. The ice was cold. The ice was cold.
La glace était froide.
The ice was cold. The water was refreshing. The water was refreshing.
L'eau était rafraîchissante.
The water was refreshing. The air was fresh. The air was fresh.
L'air était frais.
The air was fresh. The wind was blowing. The wind was blowing.
Le vent soufflait.
The wind was blowing. The storm was raging. The storm was raging.
La tempête faisait rage.
The storm was raging. The waves were crashing. The waves were crashing.
Les vagues se brisaient.
The waves were crashing. The city was bustling. The city was bustling.
La ville était animée.
The city was bustling. The beach was crowded. The beach was crowded.
La plage était bondée.
The beach was crowded. The market was busy. The market was busy.
Le marché était animé.
The market was busy. The restaurant was full. The restaurant was full.
Le restaurant était plein.
The restaurant was full. The cafe was cozy. The cafe was cozy.
Le café était confortable.
The cafe was cozy. The hotel was luxurious. The hotel was luxurious.
L'hôtel était luxueux.
The hotel was luxurious. The museum was fascinating. The museum was fascinating.
Le musée était fascinant.
The museum was fascinating. The exhibition was impressive. The exhibition was impressive.
L'exposition était impressionnante.
The exhibition was impressive. The concert was amazing. The concert was amazing.
Le concert était incroyable.
The concert was amazing. The party was extravagant. The party was extravagant.
La fête était extravagante.
The party was extravagant. The meeting was productive. The meeting was productive.
La réunion était productive.
The meeting was productive. The presentation was informative. The presentation was informative.
La présentation était informative.
The presentation was informative. The discussion was enlightening. The discussion was enlightening.
La discussion était éclairante.
The discussion was enlightening. The class was educational. The class was educational.
La classe était éducative.
The class was educational. The test was challenging. The test was challenging.
Le test était difficile.
The test was challenging. The result was satisfactory. The result was satisfactory.
Le résultat était satisfaisant.
The result was satisfactory. The project was successful. The project was successful.
Le projet a été un succès.
The project was successful. The experiment was conclusive. The experiment was conclusive.
L'expérience a été concluante.
The experiment was conclusive. The journey was adventurous. The journey was adventurous.
Le voyage était aventureux.
The journey was adventurous. The hike was exhausting. The hike was exhausting.
La randonnée était épuisante.
The hike was exhausting. The climb was difficult. The climb was difficult.
L'ascension était difficile.
The climb was difficult. The view was breathtaking. The view was breathtaking.
La vue était à couper le souffle.
The view was breathtaking. The waterfall was magnificent. The waterfall was magnificent.
La cascade était magnifique.
The waterfall was magnificent. The cave was mysterious. The cave was mysterious.
La grotte était mystérieuse.
The cave was mysterious. The forest was enchanting. The forest was enchanting.
La forêt était enchanteresse.
The forest was enchanting. The lake was serene. The lake was serene.
Le lac était serein.
The lake was serene. The river was flowing. The river was flowing.
La rivière coulait.
The river was flowing. The beach was sandy. The beach was sandy.
La plage était sablonneuse.
The beach was sandy. The island was remote. The island was remote.
L'île était isolée.
The island was remote. The village was quaint. The village was quaint.
Le village était pittoresque.
The village was quaint. The town was bustling. The town was bustling.
La ville était animée.
The town was bustling. The city was vibrant. The city was vibrant.
La ville était dynamique.
The city was vibrant. The countryside was peaceful. The countryside was peaceful.
La campagne était paisible.
The countryside was peaceful. The road trip was memorable. The road trip was memorable.
Le road trip était mémorable.
The road trip was memorable. The vacation was relaxing. The vacation was relaxing.
Les vacances étaient relaxantes.
The vacation was relaxing. The holiday was festive. The holiday was festive.
Les vacances étaient festives.
The holiday was festive. The journey was enlightening. The journey was enlightening.
Le voyage était éclairant.
The journey was enlightening. The adventure was thrilling. The adventure was thrilling.
L'aventure était palpitante.
The adventure was thrilling. The experience was eye-opening. The experience was eye-opening.
L'expérience a été révélatrice.
The experience was eye-opening. The day trip was enjoyable. The day trip was enjoyable.
L'excursion d'une journée était agréable.
The day trip was enjoyable. The visit was informative. The visit was informative.
La visite a été instructive.
The visit was informative. The tour was comprehensive. The tour was comprehensive.
La visite a été exhaustive.
The tour was comprehensive. The exploration was exciting. The exploration was exciting.
L'exploration était excitante.
The exploration was exciting. The expedition was challenging. The expedition was challenging.
L'expédition a été difficile.
The expedition was challenging. The journey was arduous. The journey was arduous.
Le voyage a été ardu.
The journey was arduous. The outing was fun-filled. The outing was fun-filled.
La sortie a été remplie d'amusement.
The outing was fun-filled. The retreat was rejuvenating. The retreat was rejuvenating.
La retraite a été revigorante.
The retreat was rejuvenating. The event was memorable. The event was memorable.
L'événement a été mémorable.
The event was memorable. The celebration was joyous. The celebration was joyous.
La célébration a été joyeuse.
The celebration was joyous. The gathering was heartwarming. The gathering was heartwarming.
Le rassemblement a été réconfortant.
The gathering was heartwarming. The occasion was special. The occasion was special.
L'occasion a été spéciale.
The occasion was special. The party was lively. The party was lively.
La fête a été animée.
The party was lively. The reunion was emotional. The reunion was emotional.
La réunion a été émouvante.
The reunion was emotional. The festival was festive. The festival was festive.
Le festival a été festif.
The festival was festive. The fair was entertaining. The fair was entertaining.
La foire a été divertissante.
The fair was entertaining. The carnival was exciting. The carnival was exciting.
Le carnaval a été excitant.
The carnival was exciting. The exhibition was impressive. The exhibition was impressive.
L'exposition a été impressionnante.
The exhibition was impressive. The showcase was remarkable. The showcase was remarkable.
La vitrine a été remarquable.
The showcase was remarkable. The event was well organized. The event was well organized.
L'événement était bien organisé.
The event was well organized. The gathering was inclusive. The gathering was inclusive.
Le rassemblement était inclusif.
The gathering was inclusive. The meeting was successful. The meeting was successful.
La réunion a été un succès.
The meeting was successful. The conference was informative. The conference was informative.
La conférence a été informative.
The conference was informative. The seminar was educational. The seminar was educational.
Le séminaire a été éducatif.
The seminar was educational. The workshop was productive. The workshop was productive.
L'atelier a été productif.
The workshop was productive. The training was enlightening. The training was enlightening.
La formation a été éclairante.
The training was enlightening. The lecture was engaging. The lecture was engaging.
La conférence a été captivante.
The lecture was engaging. The speech was inspiring. The speech was inspiring.
Le discours a été inspirant.
The speech was inspiring. The presentation was compelling. The presentation was compelling.
La présentation a été convaincante.
The presentation was compelling. The demonstration was effective. The demonstration was effective.
La démonstration a été efficace.
The demonstration was effective. The class was interactive. The class was interactive.
La classe a été interactive.
The class was interactive. The lesson was informative. The lesson was informative.
La leçon a été instructive.
The lesson was informative. The course was challenging. The course was challenging.
Le cours a été difficile.
The course was challenging. The material was comprehensive. The material was comprehensive.
Le matériel a été complet.
The material was comprehensive. The assignment was stimulating. The assignment was stimulating.
L'affectation a été stimulante.
The assignment was stimulating. The project was rewarding. The project was rewarding.
Le projet a été gratifiant.
The project was rewarding. The task was daunting. The task was daunting.
La tâche a été intimidante.
The task was daunting. The workload was heavy. The workload was heavy.
La charge de travail a été lourde.
The workload was heavy. The challenge was tough. The challenge was tough.
Le défi a été difficile.
The challenge was tough. The competition was fierce. The competition was fierce.
La compétition a été féroce.
The competition was fierce. The game was intense. The game was intense.
Le jeu a été intense.
The game was intense. The match was exciting. The match was exciting.
Le match a été excitant.
The match was exciting. The tournament was competitive. The tournament was competitive.
Le tournoi a été compétitif.
The tournament was competitive. The race was exhilarating. The race was exhilarating.
La course a été exaltante.
The race was exhilarating. The victory was sweet. The victory was sweet.
La victoire a été douce.
The victory was sweet. The defeat was disappointing. The defeat was disappointing.
La défaite a été décevante.
The defeat was disappointing. The draw was fair. The draw was fair.
Le match nul a été équitable.
The draw was fair. The performance was exceptional. The performance was exceptional.
La performance a été exceptionnelle.
The performance was exceptional. The outcome was unpredictable. The outcome was unpredictable.
Le résultat a été imprévisible.
The outcome was unpredictable. The result was satisfactory. The result was satisfactory.
Le résultat a été satisfaisant.
The result was satisfactory. The decision was unanimous. The decision was unanimous.
La décision a été unanime.
The decision was unanimous. The agreement was mutual. The agreement was mutual.
L'accord a été mutuel.
The agreement was mutual. The compromise was fair. The compromise was fair.
Le compromis a été équitable.
The compromise was fair. The negotiation was successful. The negotiation was successful.
La négociation a été réussie.
The negotiation was successful. The deal was sealed. The deal was sealed.
L'affaire a été conclue.
The deal was sealed. The contract was signed. The contract was signed.
Le contrat a été signé.
The contract was signed. The partnership was formed. The partnership was formed.
Le partenariat a été formé.
The partnership was formed. The alliance was strong. The alliance was strong.
L'alliance a été forte.
The alliance was strong. The friendship was genuine. The friendship was genuine.
L'amitié a été sincère.
The friendship was genuine. The bond was deep. The bond was deep.
Le lien a été profond.
The bond was deep. The connection was strong. The connection was strong.
La connexion a été forte.
The connection was strong. The relationship was healthy. The relationship was healthy.
La relation a été saine.
The relationship was healthy. The love was unconditional. The love was unconditional.
L'amour a été inconditionnel.
The love was unconditional. The trust was solid. The trust was solid.
La confiance a été solide.
The trust was solid. The understanding was mutual. The understanding was mutual.
La compréhension a été mutuelle.
The understanding was mutual. The communication was clear. The communication was clear.
La communication a été claire.
The communication was clear. The support was unwavering. The support was unwavering.
Le soutien a été indéfectible.
The support was unwavering. The encouragement was appreciated. The encouragement was appreciated.
L'encouragement a été apprécié.
The encouragement was appreciated. The advice was helpful. The advice was helpful.
Le conseil a été utile.
The advice was helpful. The guidance was valuable. The guidance was valuable.
L'orientation a été précieuse.
The guidance was valuable. The assistance was timely. The assistance was timely.
L'assistance a été opportune.
The assistance was timely. The collaboration was fruitful. The collaboration was fruitful.
La collaboration a été fructueuse.
The collaboration was fruitful. The teamwork was effective. The teamwork was effective.
Le travail d'équipe a été efficace.
The teamwork was effective. The cooperation was smooth. The cooperation was smooth.
La coopération a été fluide.
The cooperation was smooth. The partnership was beneficial. The partnership was beneficial.
Le partenariat a été bénéfique.
The partnership was beneficial. The friendship was enduring. The friendship was enduring.
L'amitié a été durable.
The friendship was enduring. The bond was unbreakable. The bond was unbreakable.
Le lien a été indéfectible.
The bond was unbreakable. The connection was genuine. The connection was genuine.
La connexion a été authentique.
The connection was genuine. The relationship was strong. The relationship was strong.
La relation a été solide.
The relationship was strong. The love was everlasting. The love was everlasting.
L'amour a été éternel.
The love was everlasting. The trust was absolute. The trust was absolute.
La confiance a été absolue.
The trust was absolute. The understanding was deep. The understanding was deep.
La compréhension a été profonde.
The understanding was deep. The communication was open. The communication was open.
La communication a été ouverte.
The communication was open. The support was constant. The support was constant.
Le soutien a été constant.
The support was constant. The encouragement was continuous. The encouragement was continuous.
L'encouragement a été continu.
The encouragement was continuous. The advice was sound. The advice was sound.
Le conseil a été judicieux.
The advice was sound. The guidance was steady. The guidance was steady.
L'orientation a été constante.
The guidance was steady. The assistance was invaluable. The assistance was invaluable.
L'assistance a été inestimable.
The assistance was invaluable. But collaboration was seamless. But collaboration was seamless.
La collaboration a été sans faille.
But collaboration was seamless. The teamwork was impeccable. The teamwork was impeccable.
Le travail d'équipe a été impeccable.
The teamwork was impeccable. The cooperation was harmonious. The cooperation was harmonious.
La coopération a été harmonieuse.
The cooperation was harmonious. The partnership was successful. The partnership was successful.
Le partenariat a été réussi.
The partnership was successful. The friendship was enriching. The friendship was enriching.
L'amitié a été enrichissante.
The friendship was enriching. The bond was meaningful. The bond was meaningful.
Le lien a été significatif.
The bond was meaningful. The connection was authentic. The connection was authentic.
La connexion a été authentique.
The connection was authentic. The relationship was fulfilling. The relationship was fulfilling.
La relation a été épanouissante.
The relationship was fulfilling. The love was unconditional. The love was unconditional.
L'amour a été inconditionnel.
The love was unconditional. The trust was unshakable. The trust was unshakable.
La confiance a été inébranlable.
The trust was unshakable. The understanding was profound. The understanding was profound.
La compréhension a été profonde.
The understanding was profound. The communication was effective. The communication was effective.
La communication a été efficace.
The communication was effective. The support was unwavering. The support was unwavering.
Le soutien a été constant.
The support was unwavering. The encouragement was uplifting. The encouragement was uplifting.
L'encouragement a été encourageant.
The encouragement was uplifting. The advice was insightful. The advice was insightful.
Le conseil a été perspicace.
The advice was insightful. The guidance was invaluable. The guidance was invaluable.
L'orientation a été inestimable.
The guidance was invaluable.